All right, our next fallacy is called appeal to ignorance. It's a very important one. Appeal to ignorance. Oops, okay. So here's how the book defines it. Believing P because not P has not been proved, or believing not P because P has not been proved. Okay, so the example they give in the book on page 260 uses UFOs. So someone says, as no one has proved that UFOs exist, it's reasonable to assume that they don't. So that's kind of like, as no one has proved that UFOs exist, we can believe that they don't exist. That's the fallacy. Or the second one, no one has managed to prove that UFOs don't exist, so we can reasonably conclude that they do. So that would be this example. It's not been proved that UFOs don't exist, therefore UFOs do exist. Okay, so the UFO example helps point to the idea that appeal to ignorance is often used in conspiracy theories. Okay, it's used when we haven't proven something's false, and then so we give it a lot more credence than we should. I'm going to kind of help us see the structure of these arguments. They always go, so P has not been proved. This is not in the handout, but I think it's good to have. So therefore, not P. Or premise one, not P has not been proved. Therefore, P. Okay. Here's another version of this. I also see, and it's along the same lines. It's possible that P okay. In other words, not P has not been proved. It's possible that P, therefore, probably P. So this will be the bad inductive forceful view, inductive version of this. Probably P. So going, it's possible that P, therefore probably P. All of these get used a lot in conspiracy theories. When like, well, we haven't proven that UFOs don't exist. And then as they start talking, they talk as if it's probable that UFOs exist. We haven't proven that the government hasn't been out to get me. So therefore, probably the government is out to get me. Now, what we should really do is just leave these things in the realm of possibilities, but not give it the status of probability as being probable, inductive forcefulness, or just believing the opposite conclusion. Okay, so watch out for this sort of reasoning in conspiracy theories, where people go from something might be true to talking as if it's probably true. Okay.